everybody, welcome to week 2 of our July topic for Techy Tuesday, going over Michael Lewis Marketing Suite. Now last week we went over how to create a business card through here. Today we're going to be going over how to create flyers. Just a side note, if you still don't know what your Michael Lewis Marketing Suite account login is, just reach out to us in the comments and we'll help you navigate that. So like I said, we are going to be going over how to create flyers. So along the top there, it's going to be the third one from the front, named flyers. So you'll go ahead and click on flyers. And it's going to take you to all the different templates. Now they have champagne series. A lot of these will be essentially the same thing, just different layouts, different designs for you guys to choose from. So this is the champagne series. They also have a statement series, whichever one looks best to you. Red series, slate series. They also have prospecting. So if you wanted to create any prospecting ones, they have a good one like, do you know of a home for one of these buyers? You can also put in like whatever specifics there is. A snapshot for, it's just a placeholder, it says San Francisco, but of course you'll be able to do San Antonio, reasons to buy before spring, lots of different things for the different holidays and everything, or different seasons. So it's going to be prospecting, and then they also have different things in Spanish, so definitely go through, take a look at these. I'm going to show you guys how to edit one. So now we're just going to go, I'm going to use the champagne series. And I'm going to go ahead and use this middle one. So for any of these, if you want to take a quicker, closer look at it, you'll be able to click on larger preview. And it's going to show you what the template looks like. Now say that this is the one I want to use. I'm going to click to select template. Now if you wanted to do something front and back, you can definitely choose a back template. They have lots to choose from. So if you click to select a back template, they'll have more champagne series back. So if you're using a champagne series the front, you'll want it to be uniformed and use the back for it. And so for this example, I'm not going to do a back template because you'll be able to edit it the exact same way, but they do have back templates as well. Now for this, I'm going to click continue to edit, and it's going to say, hello, are you sure you want to create a piece without a back template? Go ahead and click OK. Once you click OK, this is where you'll be able to go into the editor and start editing this piece. So once you are in here, may take a few moments. But once you are in here, it's going to show you what your template looks like. You can also zoom in more, zoom out less if you wanted to as well. But to change the photos, you're going to click on the photo that you would like to replace. So you'll click on it and it's going to open up this little toolbar up here. So you're going to click on the button that says upload. Now keep in mind you do need to find photos for this. So if you have a photographer take photos for you, you take your own photos, you grab them from MLS, whatever the case may be, wherever you get your photos from. I'm going to go ahead and click browse, and mine's going to be on my desktop. So I'm going to choose the photo of the home and I'm going to click open. Once it brings it over, now you're going to click on the button that says insert image, and it's going to replace that photo. Oh, of course not. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay. All right, so there's going to be the photo. Then you'll do the same process for the other photos. You'll do the same thing. You'll browse, you'll grab the photo, you will open. And you will insert. Now it's going to replace it. So you'll do that for the other photos. Now to change the verbiage, because you'll want to change the address, everything like that, you'll click on that text. Sorry guys. There we go. You'll click on the text, and it's going to open up a text editor. Then you'll want to change the address. Of course, I'm just going to keep it 123 Main Street, San Antonio, Texas. You'll just type in the address, and you'll commit changes. Then you're able to go in and change out. Anytime you click on any of the text, it's going to open up a text box for you. the text editor, and you'll be able to change any of the verbiage there. For this, of course, you'll want to put a description of the home. It says your property description here. Just take this out, put description of the home in here. Now it's already going to be branded to you because that's what we went over last week, is making sure that your account does have your information, so it'll have your contact information, name, photo, logos, all that good stuff. Now once you are done editing it and you change the photos, the verbiage, the address, all of that stuff, you're going to click apply. Now if you are editing something with a back template, this is where you would click on the back page and it'll turn it over and you'll be able to edit it the same way. Now once you are done with this template, you're going to click on the button, the last one that says view proof and continue. And once you do that, it's going to give you a preview of what your flyer looks like. Now, there's multiple ways of getting this. If you want to download the front image just as a photo, let's say you just wanted to use this and post it on Facebook or post it on Instagram or your story or something, you can download the front image. It's going to take a few seconds, a few moments. You'll do it, click it once, and it's going to do this. I promise it's going to work. Now it's going to look like it didn't, but just click it a second time and then it's going to download for you. You know, tech, sometimes you just have to figure out these tricks of how they work. So now it's going to download that photo as a PNG, and now you can use this photo wherever you would like. The other way is going to be downloading the unlocked PDF proof so that you could possibly print it out on your own. If you have your own home printer, you can print here at the office. You can also download the PDF version of it. And then, like I said, you can print this out on your own. Now, if you didn't want to do that and you wanted to purchase it through Michael Lewis Marketing Suite, that is also an option. What you'll have to do is you'll have to click on the online proof of approval and then click add to cart. And you'll have to put your initials, and it's going to take you to where you would have to purchase it. So if you wanted 50 of it for $40 each, of course, every time you do something, make sure that it'll save your work. You can rename it, and then you can add to the cart and purchase it that way, unless you wanted to download the PDF like I showed you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.